What is question mark m equal to 1 in Blogger URLs? When you see question mark m equal to 1 at the end of a Blogger URL, you're looking at a parameter that Google uses to display the mobile version of your blog when a user accesses it from a mobile device. As you can see here site, and when you go to this, click on this link, we are going to here m equal to 1. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove question mark m equal to 1 from the Blogger URL. Why do you need to remove m equal to 1 from the Blogger URL? Now let's talk about why you need to remove m equal to 1 from the Blogger URL. Honestly speaking, there is no such valid reason for it. The main thing is website owners don't like it. It doesn't look professional compared to a WordPress website. The second reason is that sometimes it creates some canonical errors in Google Search Console. As you can see here, you're getting this alternate page with canonical errors. The whole URL is the same, but when anyone visits from mobile, this question mark m equal to 1 is added, which creates canonical errors in the Search Console. The above mentioned two are the main reasons why bloggers don't like this in the Blogger URL. I'm sure you are clear about it now. Now let's talk about how to remove m equal to 1 from the Blogger URL. For that, first step is go to your Blogger dashboard, and in the Blogger dashboard, go to your theme section, and before editing HTML code, you should back up your Blogger theme, uh, right? Because it is crucial to back up your entire Blogger blog. This ensures that you can restore your content and settings in case anything goes wrong during the theme code editing process. Further, click on backup and download. So after that, click on, after downloading the Blogger theme, click on edit HTML, and in that go and search for close end tag for body, that is control find, search for body close end body tag. As you can see here, you get the close end body tag, and here click enter. After finding the closed close end body tag, simply copy this code and paste here. And now, and I will provide you the link of for this script in description section. Please check there. And that's it. You have successfully removed the question mark m equal to 1 from your Blogger URL. This simple method ensures a cleaner and more professional look for your blogger. Let us check it. And as you can click on this link, you can see here we are getting our m equal to 1 URL here. Go to this URL, click on this URL, and as you can see, it is redirected from question mark m equal to 1 to original one. That it doesn't completely remove m equal to 1 from a Blogger URL, just redirect it. As you can see here, now it's redirecting it. Let us check it. See, as you can see, from m equal to 1, it is redirected. One more thing I want While this while this will slightly improve speed, variations are likely caused by the server response time, not the redirect itself. One more thing I want to share. If you're getting any indexing errors after implementing this thing, then I don't recommend you to use this. However, it is essential to note that SEO is about experimenting and testing various methods to determine what works best for you. Ultimately, optimizing your website for its best performance should always be your priority. We hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful blogger tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.